And that's what I'm telling you right now, is that you are divinity itself. You are that which has been referred to always as God or spirit or love. There's no difference between awakeness and love, because that's, or consciousness and love. Because what is consciousness? How does consciousness act, so to speak? It accepts everything here exactly as it is. Consciousness has not asked you to change. It doesn't ask a flower to change or a tree to change or anything else. It doesn't ask anything whatsoever to change. It accepts everything exactly as it is. And that's your job, also consciousness. So it's not a matter of the unit surrendering to other. There's no other.